Today we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports Rear Bumper for Segway Super Villain SX20. Install time for this item is around 30 minutes and can be installed by yourself and comes in at a difficulty level of beginner. You will need the following tools for this project. Step 1. Remove hardware from heat shield. Begin this installation by removing the 3 bolts from the bottom of the heat shield using a 10mm wrench. Step 2. Attach rear bumper. Start by aligning the bumper on top of the heat shield with the 2 factory mounting brackets. Once the bumper is properly positioned, you can begin reinstalling the hardware. For the center bolt, it is easiest to bolt back in by going from behind the exhaust To install the support brackets, begin by removing the factory hardware using a 13mm socket. Position the support bracket so it sits behind the factory bracket on the vehicle and aligns behind the rear bumper. Once properly positioned, reinstall the factory hardware to secure the bracket in place. The bolts provided for the top of the bracket are also tightened using a 13mm socket. After securing one side, repeat the same steps on the opposite side to complete the installation. If you have any questions during the installation, feel free to contact us via phone or email. Our support team is here to help. To stay up to date on the latest DRT Motorsports products and events, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Own the Dirt with DRT.